Just seen something on the side of the road. I hadn't made a video in a while, so I thought I might go and see if we can film this if it doesn't take off. It may take off. Any cars coming? No. You see it yet? There's a car coming. I don't want it to take off. When there's a car coming, fly into it. Let's wait for the car to go past. Try again. You can see it yet. Come on, bud. You're right, you've been hit by something. His eye looks a bit funny. Might, just in case. Hey, bud. Hey. Yeah, I don't know if you've been hit or not. You right? Very light. Wait. You're right or not? Looks like you got a busted eye. Hmm? Looks like you got one busted eye. I've got him wrapped up in here and we'll take him home and see what the go is. Little fella. So I put out the hay and just going to take him, run him home and see if he's got a busted eye or not. Might be an old wound or something, who knows. But he's pretty close to the road, so if he's alright, I'll bring him back down later on or tonight maybe and put him in the same spot. Let him go, so we'll see how he is. See if he's... Sorry, he's pretty light, I don't know. Some sort of owl or something. My wife will probably know, like, I don't know. Some sort of budgie, big brown budgie. So, see how he goes. And that's where he was, just up there somewhere. Just over there. There was. These weird little bugs in his feathers, and I don't know what they were. But he has actually got a cut underneath the eye, above his back of his eye as well, so see what happens. We'll look after him for a bit and see if he gets better. See if he's alright. Right, gotta go back to work.